In Pythagoras 2023, we've added some extra options to downsample your point clouds based on the highest points. Simply go to Point Cloud Export and choose the specific point cloud that you want to export. Then click Downsample and choose your resolution. Now in the filter options, you can choose to filter on highest points. In the previous version of Pythagoras, it was only possible to filter on lowest points. Then save your file and the process will start. When it is finished, you'll get a notification that the point cloud export has finished. This will give you a drastic reduction of your point cloud, and you have the following export options.